Const is another way to declare a variable. It has all the features of let, but it's also read-only. You cannot reassign a const. So let's look at this program here. We're running this print many times, and it's going to log out this sentence, and the sentence is up here, var sentence is declared, and then we reassign it here. So first we declare the sentence to be the string is cool, then it's reassigned to be the string is amazing. So if we run that, it should work. It prints free codecamp is amazing many times. But if we change this to const, let's see what happens. Now I'll run this and we get an error. Sentence is read only. If you declare a variable with the const keyword, you cannot reassign it afterwards. This can be very helpful to prevent you from accidentally making mistakes later. If you know for sure that you never want to reassign a variable, always use const so you don't accidentally reassign it when you don't mean to. Another thing is when you're using const, it's very common to use all capital letters. So like this, sentence, like that. And that's another way to remember that it's a constant. So if I rename this here, I'm also going to have to repeat it here. And while we're at it, we're going to change this to let, because for the most part, you should only use const or let, but there are certain circumstances where you would use var. And also in some other videos in this course, I'll be using var, but in your own code, you should mainly use const and let. Let's reload this to see what happens. And it worked. Free codecamp is cool many times. We can no longer say that free codecamp is awesome, even though we know it actually is. While you cannot reassign a variable declared with const, you can mutate an array. So look at this example that's not going to work. First, we declare the variable s and we assign it to an array. We declare it with const. And now we're going to reassign the variable s here. But if we do that, we're going to get the error. S is read only. However, we can update the array using bracket notation. So I'll just comment that out. And using bracket notation, I'll do index 0. I'll assign that to 2. Index 1, I'll assign that to 5. And then index 2, I'll assign that to 7. And just like that, it is going to reassign the array. So if I just do a console.log here, console.log, and put the array in there, we should see the new array here, 257.